The kitchen is the heart of the home, and here at Lakeland we sell everything to help you prepare, serve and store proper home-cooked food. We've been leaders in this for over 60 years now. You can trust us to get the jobs done in the kitchen super well and super quick. We are all about the clever tools and gadgets that make life easier. These are the items that make a huge difference that you never knew you needed until you got them home.
So I've got two fabulous products with me today that we're really looking forward to our customers getting their hands on. The first one is the multi-chop. So this is the kind of perfect ultimate prep for your home and your kitchen. And then you've got the quick grate as well, which again, it's kind of can sit perfectly side by side this. It's great if you're making massive coleslaws for summer, whether you love a carrot cake, anything like that where you're prepping large volumes of veggies or anything along those lines. So really just making that life a little bit simpler.
Wonderful. So walk me through the multi-chop then. What is so special about this gadget?
So the multi-chop, it's got 8 interchangeable blades to it, so you can chop and slice and grate in one. So you've got a mandolin and a chopper, kind of if you're thinking about onions and you get sore eyes and you're crying after you cutting your onions, it's just going to take all of that stress away. So it makes it really super easy. You can also store everything inside of it, so really neat and compact, great for space saving, and just it's a great all-rounder really. You've got removable blades, you've got removable teeth that are cut into the vegetables, so it's great for washing, really easy to clean up after you've prepped all your veggies.
Wonderful. Anything that takes the stress out of the prep is a winner with me.
Exactly.
And walk me through the quick grate.
And the quick grate. So this is, I always say great, but it's got a fantastic suction base to it, so it's super sturdy, super safe on your worktop. There's no kind of risk of it moving around as you're grating through whatever it is. It's got 3 interchangeable barrels in there, so you've got a fine, a coarse and a slicer as well.
And what kind of stuff can we use this for then?
You could use it for cauliflower cheese or a macaroni cheese, anything like that will get through cheese super easy. Carrots, courgettes, and then slicing again if you're wanting to do thinner pieces, whether it's a dauphinoise potato or carrot slices or cheese slices, anything like that. So really versatile as well.
And these are just your top picks for now. We're actually launching many more tools and gadgets, aren't we, for this season?
Absolutely. These are my 2 hero picks for the season, but sit alongside obviously a much broader range in terms of tools and gadgets, which is what we're known for.
Brilliant. Well, to check out the wider range, head to our website at lakeland.co.uk or of course come along and visit us in store. We would love to see you.